Hi there again everyone, Josie here from Live at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here on my channel. Today I have another fun and unique DIY here for you. And here's the insert of the photo of how it's going to look like at the end of this project. I am creating a lamp, and this has been inspired by a lamp on display at Tuesday morning, and it was pretty expensive, so I couldn't afford it, but then I figured I can make it on my own. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to snap a photo of that inspiration, but I did find something close to it on Pinterest, and I am inserting it here. I'm just gonna do a little bit of revamp on what is on the Pinterest photo and kind of mimic what I've seen on display at Tuesday morning, because they used metal as a stand instead of pillars that they used on the Pinterest photo. Also, the one on the Pinterest photo is more shabby chic or farmhouse style. I'm creating this one in a more industrial slash glam style. That's the reason why I spray painted it in silver. I'm going to be making it look like industrial style, because industrial style has the fixtures showing, while the glam would enter in the form of some blings that I will add as accents to this. Now, unfortunately, I lost the footage on when I connected these two together, but let me just show you how they look like in RAW. I'm using an excerpt of the footage when I actually prepared this, but then I lost the rest of the footage back in late summer when I created this. Now I'm holding on my right hand the planter, and then on my left hand the wastebasket. So this is how they look like. And then to connect them, what I'm just doing is putting this in this position and then putting the hanging basket inside of it. It just fits snugly. I connect them with zip ties and then spray painted in silver. Before I put them together, I removed all the chains that are connected to these holes, and that's where I actually connected them using zip ties. So I only had 3 zip ties to connect the two. Okay, and then afterwards, I cut the bottom of the wastebasket using my wire cutter. You can also use sharp scissors if you don't have wire cutter. Okay, and this is so far my favorite of what I have found that is a Dollar Tree item, because it will fit snugly. I'll show you. This is an ornament. It's like it's a mason jar plastic ornament. Okay, so you can put it there. Then you just twist it. You don't even have to hot glue this portion. Twist it and it'll stay put. Like so. See that? And you can use a votive candle and turn it on. You can use the LED tea lights. But what I'm gonna use so that it's brighter, also use the Dollar Tree LED lights. Okay, but I still have my stash, so I'm not gonna buy any more until I run out of my stash. You can also use the one from the Dollar Tree. And I'm gonna put the switch here at the bottom so that it's easier to kind of manipulate it. Now, to make it stand, another favorite of mine that the Dollar Tree carries are this paper towel holders, and they come in 2 finishes, one in white and one in stainless steel, like this one. This is how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna zip tie it, embellish this with my diamond bling wrap from the Dollar Tree. I will hot glue the ties. I will use the zip ties that I also got at the Dollar Tree. Okay, and I will hot glue because I don't want it to slide down. And then see this portion here so that I can control the light. I'm gonna set this up in my Winter Wonderland tablescape console table. Okay, so I'm just gonna connect my paper towel holder. I'm just gonna use 4 zip ties. let's do this. I just bunched it up like this, and I'm putting it here. This is gonna be how it's gonna look like. Hold on. See? Right? And then I'm gonna keep it like this. And then so that when I close, I have all the bulbs in. Okay. And I have all the bulbs in. Okay. And then this one, I'll hot glue it at the bottom. Like so. But before I do it, I'm gonna wrap it with bling wrap. Okay, so I hot glued some bling wraps here. And so that the side won't show us white, I'm also gonna cut small strips to cover the side. So, you could probably do this before you glue it. I'm sorry, I'm doing it after the fact. So just gonna put it here. See here? See that? Then so basically I'm just covering it on the sides that I will not hot glue onto it, because the portion with the screw that I'm going to hot glue onto here will not be covered. So it's better that way so that you don't waste materials. Not only that, so that you can adhere it better here. So this one is showing like that a little bit, and it's blinged out, and I think I still don't like how it looks like. So in order for you to save materials, you don't need to bling out the battery chamber, especially if you're using the Dollar Tree LED string lights where their battery chamber is really huge. So what you can do is actually this: wrap some blings, okay, around the jar. I'm gonna apply some hot glue on the top here, and then I'm gonna attach my bling wrap. It is actually more economical to buy yourself a big set of this. I got this at eFavor Mart. Just to let you know, they are not sponsoring this. I bought it with my own money, okay? I want to add a little bit more just to trim this, and if you want to cover this area, this is the one that came from the Dollar Tree. So they have 5 diamond rows. I think the 5 diamond rows is just better. It covers the knot there. And then just attach it there. Just go around it. So it doesn't matter how many strips of this you use, or you go around the full strip. And I'm just cutting this. I have some leftovers. I hate to waste materials. Maybe this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are rough edges here. If you want to wrap it, that'll be fine too. And here is how it looks like at nighttime. Had to wait for it to be a little darker so that I can really test it out. And I must say, I've done some lamps and light fixtures, but this is the first time that I am impressed at the brightness that it produces. I have been looking for a lamp like this one, but every time I find something, it's really shocking to see the sticker price because it's a lot. The one I found at Tuesday morning cost $59.99, $60. But this project cost me less than $6 to make, and I am loving it. I actually was able to pull this off with a better look than what I have found at a fraction of the cost. I will include this in my Winter Wonderland themed winter decor, but I'm thinking it is something that I can use all year round. The ornament doesn't even look like an ornament once you prop it up this way. It does look like a light bulb. What do you think about this project? I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please share to anyone who may be interested in this type of project. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. And please don't forget to click that notification bell as soon as you see it after you click the subscribe button. Thank you for always being here to my returning subscribers. I appreciate all the love and support. And please leave me some comments down below, everyone. Hope you all are having a great day. Talk to you again on my next video. Bye-bye!